Hi, I want to review the new gas can that it's tamper-proof, child-proof. Basically, it has about three control elements. There's a stop right here that prevents it from being, opened, and then there's a stopper here that prevents it from being poured out, and then there's a redundant stopper out here. So how do you go about getting out gas and getting in gas? If there's gas in it right now, as there is, even if you push this over, it's not going to dispense gas. If you lay it to the side, it's not going to pour out gas. Lay it to the other side, it's not going to pour out gas. And if a child comes and just merely presses this, you know, and tries to pour out gas, it's still not gonna pour out gas. Or tries to open this, it's not gonna open. So how do you pour out gas? You press this and then push it forward, all the way forward, and then you can get some gas. Let's get it at the right angle. Yeah, so that is it. You're able to dispense gas, and once you release it, it goes back to being locked, and then you can put back the redundant stopper. And if you get to the gas station and you want to unscrew this, all you need to do is press this down and roll this, counterclockwise, and then it opens. You fill in your gas, and then you put it back in, and lock it clockwise. That is it. It's as simple as that, to get gas out and to get gas in. And this new cans are really great because they're child proof and they're tamper proof. All right, have a great day.